Hey everyone, Dr. Sonal here. Let's start with the two-part series on how to prepare with your first allergy consultation. If you have been referred or are going to go and see an allergist, there's a few things that you should do in advance. And some of this applies for any office appointments, really. Number one, know why you're being referred, especially if your doctor's referring you. What is the reason? Did you have a reaction to a medication? Do you have asthma? Do you have nasal allergies? Do you have eczema? Do we think it's a contact dermatitis? There are a whole lot of reasons why a patient might be seeing an allergist, and it's important for you to know why you're being referred. Or is it maybe for all of the above? There's more than one thing going on, right? So that's the first thing. The second thing, if you've had any prior testing or lab work or records that you might think are relevant, make sure that you bring them with you or that they will be sent to us. You will be surprised to know, a lot of patients don't know this, but if you're not in a closed system like Kaiser, I can't access all your records. I can't see your blood test results that your doctor ordered. If you had a chest x-ray done that was ordered by another doctor, I don't know those results. I can't see that. So it takes a long time for you to sign medical records and me to get those, and sometimes things don't come in through fax or whatnot. So, you really have to be the one to take the lead on your own health. So make sure you get the information to us that we need in a timely fashion so that your visit can be more productive for you. Sure, you allot enough time for the visit. I know everybody is super busy, but we often have to wait when we go to the doctor. I have to wait when I go to the doctor, and I absolutely detest it. Honestly, I try to be on time as much as possible, but we often run late for many reasons. Some patients require more attention or had more complicated cases. Oftentimes, patients themselves arrive late to their appointment. You have paperwork to fill out when you're a new patient, and I'm sorry, but a lot of places may be more electronically advanced than others. Some offices have a quicker check-in system. Others will take longer. So kind of have to guide all that into the time process that it's going to take. Arrive early, figure out where you're going to park, map out your location, know whether or not you're going to have to pay for parking, know whether parking is going to be validated. So these are all things that you're going to have to do, and try not to schedule anything immediately right after. If you have to run out or we have to rush on your visit, that's going to make your consultation a bit more difficult. So these are just some of the things that you can do in preparation for your allergy consultation, and we'll talk more about this in part 2. Thank you, guys.